We've got a staff of about 45 people here that we handle everything from the HVAC calls, heating and air, plumbing, electrical, and then the every day-to-day maintenance. Most of our calls are emergency calls every day because somebody's air is out or the heat's not working, so we have to respond rapidly.
We supervise about 200 or so custodians from the logistics office. I have 5 custodial supervisors. They ensure that the custodians have all the supplies that they need, light bulbs, anything that they need in the school to keep the school safe and clean.
I tell all the guys, I said, we're here to work for the kids and the teachers. I've actually been here for 38 years. I really enjoy what I'm doing, and I feel like that the maintenance department's doing a good job to keep what we got going, as old as some of these buildings are.
Try to keep everything running smooth so the kids will have hallways to walk up. Anywhere from the ground up, we do it.
I think I got the call about 3 o'clock in the morning. I was on site by 3:30, and by 5 that morning we had a plan of what we were going to do. We started implementing that plan by 7.
I enjoy working for the schools, man. You know, I've been here just like I said, right at 38 years now. You know, so for somebody to stay on a job that long, they got to like the job.